My AC isn't working. What can I do? I'm Easton with Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, and I've got 3 things for you to check to hopefully get your AC system back up and running. Step 1, check at the thermostat. Make sure it's set to cool, and make sure you've got a fresh set of batteries in there. You'd be surprised how often that's actually the cause of the issue. Step 2, make sure there's power going to the outside unit. We have a whole video on this, so make sure to check it out. And step 3, replace the filter by the furnace. This way we know that the filter's clean and not causing any issues with the system. If you tried all 3 of these things and the system still isn't working, this is when it's time to call us. Here at Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, our goal is to keep you cool all season long. If you have any questions, give us a call today or schedule on our website.